Georgian Dublin was one of the great cities of Europe in the 18th century. Its architecture is defined by grand public buildings and by its broad public squares, all of which are lined by terraces of 4-storey over basement red brick houses that are rather plain outside. The only area where they were given a free hand is in the design and finish of the doorways. Inside, the houses truly come into their own. Dublin's plasterwork is some of the finest to be found. Whilst Dublin's Georgian architectural heritage has its champions, the Irish Georgian Society's involvement in the promotion of Ireland's architectural heritage extends throughout the country. Our interests include the Great Country House, follies found in its domains, vernacular buildings. It also includes small towns. Through its grants programs and through getting directly involved in building conservation projects, the Irish Georgian Society has supported a great number of building conservation projects in recent years. This year, the Irish Georgian Society is championing a number of projects. We are looking to save a late 18th century painted glass window by the artist Thomas Jervais in a church called Agher in County Meath. We are looking to raise funds to ensure the future of a garden pavilion situated within the walled gardens of a late 17th century house called Beaulieu in County Louth. We're looking to secure the future of 2 thatched cottages in County Limerick. We're also looking to raise funds for the Lions Gate archway at Mote Park in County Roscommon. The Lions Gate is attributed to the architect James Gandon and was constructed in the latter part of the 18th century. It's built using a local limestone on a monumental scale, with wings flanking to either side and terminating in gate lodges. On top of the archway is perched a codestone lion, and today the lion is in a very poor state of repair. Its paws are cracked. The stone on which it's mounted is moving, which creates great concern for its future. Vegetation is occasionally removed from the archway, but has caused damage to it over time. What we hope to achieve in association with 2 local interest groups, the Roscommon Heritage Group and the Mote Park Conservation Group, is to restore the archway, to repair the lion, to find a new role for the overall structure within Mote Park, to allow for the restoration of the Lions Gate archway, and for the other projects the Irish Georgian Society is championing this year. We need the help of our members and our supporters in Ireland, in the UK and in the USA. The Irish Georgian Society in its own right has a capacity to bring about transformational change that will enable the full restoration of this monument.